I haven't been saying much about the Reggae girls as they prepare for their second consecutive World Cup appearance. Been looking though at these games in Australia involving Spain, the Czech Republic, Jamaica and the host team. And if we're talking progression and improvement, where Jamaica is not just satisfied with qualifying for the World Cup again, if we're thinking of trying to advance to at least the second round, then the defensive play of the Reggae girls must improve significantly. Their defending is easily the worst area of their game. They make way too many simple mistakes, conceding too many soft goals. The defensive reading of the game, their tracking and their marking, which are simple fundamentals, look feeble. The defensive organization needs to be more compact. And it's not like they are this ultra-attacking team, so you expect lots of defensive exposure. No, the team is just defensively unbalanced. And look, this is not a tearing down of the Reggae girls team, but it's just my Maverick observation that Coach Lorne Donaldson needs to address between now and the start of the World Cup. So Coach Donaldson, this is the epitome of constructive criticism.